Hey, flower friends, Lisa Mason Ziegler here. Hope you're having a good night. We've had a great day here at the Gardener's Workshop. The Cool Flower Garden has been not put to bed for winter, but well on its way to being, it's leafed, which means the pathways are nice and mulched, and I just can't even tell you how it makes me sleep better at night, knowing that weed seeds are not sprouting in my pathways. And anyway, so it's just on the farm. And I just want to invite you guys. You can drop in over on YouTube at 8 o'clock. Tonight, I am going to be taking you inside Jenny Love's course, Farmer-Florist School, the wedding process. And friends, I don't know if you're aware of this, but becoming a farmer florist is the most profitable way to sell the flowers that you grow. Now, it's hard work, don't get me wrong, but it is the highest dollar you can get for your flower. Jenny Love has been a farmer florist for well over a decade and known Martha Stewart's top 10. She knows the business, and she spills all of her beans in this Farmer-Florist School. Jenny literally leads you through the entire process. And I'm going to take you inside her course tonight to just kind of see the different, all the different sessions. And friends, she starts off in this course, which I was a little taken aback with the very first time when I heard her recording it for us. But now I totally am in agreement. The very first session is, are you cut out for this? Is this for you? She really helps you find your way into what potentially is the best fit for you, and then walks you through from starting out perhaps with DIY buckets. You don't go straight into full weddings. And I just had such great respect for her for that. And because that's what people really, really need to hear. And I kind of made myself a little list. So class 1 is really all about finding out if this is a fit for you. All questions answered. She goes into everything into detail. Then class 2, growing and sourcing the flowers. I think the best thing she said in there is you don't have to grow it all. You can source it from other farmers too. It's full. And I just can't wait to take you inside. Class 3 is finding clients. And friends, the marketing piece in this class is incredible. I totally think the marketing in class 3 is worth the cost of the course. And then here are the ones that really we see that stonewalls people, how to communicate with the clients and how to control all of that. I think really knowing, there's scripts literally. And then also the proposal package. She gives you templates to her contracts, her pricing, how to figure all that out, as well as just presenting the whole thing and handling it. So I'd love for you to come over and join me at 8 o'clock tonight. We have offered a couple of our courses over the last couple of weeks on a flash sale, a 3-day special, like 20% off, because this is the time of the year that flower farmers heading into winter, hanging up their shears for the winter perhaps. This is the time that we get down to business, to growing and expanding and scaling our businesses. And becoming a farmer florist is definitely an option if that's what your path is. And this course will leave no questions unanswered. So I invite you to join me 8 p.m., my YouTube channel or Facebook, both. You can comment weddings here, and that'll send you the link in your DMs to request one of her sessions. We'll give you a sneak peek inside one of her sessions to have a look at it. So join me at 8 p.m. Eastern time, and I would love to have you come over. And I am going to poke us around all in that course and just let you see how it is the footprint that all you have to do is put your foot in. And I just can't even tell you that if this is what you're thinking about, you need to come check this out. I'd love to see you over there. All right, friends, see you in about 10 minutes over there. How's that sound? See you there. Ciao.